Yeah, babe.
Guess what? I'm just gonna eat some blue toppings. The long popsicle only have colors we don't like, Mommy.
What do you got? Stuff for the chickens?
With chickens. For the chickens. Mommy. Mommy. Mommy, did you brought them the long ones?
Yep, the long ones that you like, baby.
Subscribe! We are getting something.
Yeah, Daddy's doing the cleaning up the chicken coop, right, Daddy?
Yes, the kitchen. Eggs.
You heard this one. They
We're
poop
gonna
out
poop
some
out, yeah,
eggs.
we'll get some poop out of it. Some eggs out of it.
Some eggs and chicken poop.
That is the expert of chicken care, huh, Daddy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mommy's videoing you so
I
you
need-
can show people how to
I need some meat birds.
how you did the oh goodness, Daddy. Now the little egg area is clean.
Yep, they can poop out some eggs.
Big Dad started cleaning your house.
Give them their night light.
I know. Yes. Yep.
That was how to make a chicken coop.
How to clean out chicken coop.
Yes, how to clean it.
We didn't film ourselves making it. Maybe in the next one.
We got baby chick cleaning next.
So this little chicken's name is Chick. Come back, Chick. I guess he said he's not coming back. Ronald.
Ronald!
That one is called this chicken. Her name is Ronald.
Ronald! Ronald!
And this is Chick back. Hi, Chick.
Ronald! Oh, I forgot that chick's
For the
name.
grill.
This one over here is Elsa, I believe. Hi, Elsa.
Close it.
Hi, Ronald! You look like a mommy chicken.
This one is Big Chungus.
Yeah, Big Chungus. Big Chungus is like 6 years taller than Ronald.
Yeah, she's pretty tall, isn't she?
No, she's big. I thought Ronald was big. The claw. The claw.
The claw is gonna get the chickens. They all ran away.
What was this for?
What is your problem? That used to be the food for babies.
The claw. Warning, the next video will have containment of poop.
Oh Lord.
Lots of it. Lots of baby chicken poop.
Go take Daddy the bag. Chicky time. The chickies are getting big. The girls are getting big. I'm surprised they haven't jumped out of it.
Maybe 10. Not yet. It's when they figure out how to get on top of that, how to get on top of the feeder,
Yeah.
then they'll start jumping out.
Oh. What did There's our other babies. Hi, baby. Hi, babies. How you girls doing, huh?
What? What, demon?
Then gotta clean this one for babies, and then when they get big, they go outside. You girls are so cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you guys are getting big girl wings, huh? They all have names. I don't remember their names.
Camera up!
The one with the stripe on the head is biggest chick, I think. Biggest bird. And then we have an Anna somewhere. I forgot which one is Anna. Hi, Daddy. Look, I love it. There's one already looking up.
Huh?
One of them is already looking up to try to jump.
Hours to wait for an allergy spray to start working. Did you know Astapro starts working in 30 minutes? Astapro? You know, powerful, full prescription strength.
Now Daddy has to put them back in.
Shall I continue?
Back in you go. So cute. You are cute. You're cute. You're cute. You're cute too.
Oh, you're my face.
Yeah, this biggest bird. This Johnny's biggest bird. Isn't he so cute? Look at his face. You got a crazy face and you're so sweet. Mine is a troublemaker. Mine is the lightest gray. Troublemaker.